Welcome to Forge and Flow. Join us as we explore the journey of how fresh strawberries are transformed step by step into our thick, glossy jam.
Crate 7 is almost full.
Bring the next empty one over here. The quality is perfect. Go ahead and stack these. Secure that last rope there, John. All right, I'm checking the tension on this side. Looks good, let's roll.
After the harvest, our team carefully unloads the fresh strawberries. They receive a gentle brushing to ensure they are perfectly clean for the crushing stage.
The hydraulic tipper gently releases the perfectly ripe strawberries into the hopper, ensuring a consistent flow for the next stage of production.
Here the strawberries enter the bubble washing tank. The vigorous agitation ensures all fine particles are removed before crushing.
After the initial bubble wash, our berries receive a high-pressure rinse to ensure absolute cleanliness.
Ensure only the firm, evenly red berries continue. We need that perfect Forge and Flow consistency.
The optical sorter inspects every berry for color and consistency. Any that don't meet our standards are quickly removed.
Consistency is key. These batching hoppers measure the exact weight in kilograms before the berries move on to the crushing stage.
From the hoppers above, the strawberries flow into these large bins. The screw conveyors then move them steadily toward the crushing stage.
Here at Forge and Flow, the strawberries are crushed evenly, producing this vibrant pulp.
Notice the visible seed from the crushing stage. The dense pulp is pumped directly into our preheating tanks, ensuring a consistent temperature before cooking.
Yeah. As you can see, the pulp is refined into a perfectly smooth, deep red puree. The smooth puree is pumped into this agitated holding tank, ensuring the consistency remains perfect before we move on to the cooking stage.
Pectin powder is precisely measured and added to the high shear tank, where the mixer rapidly creates a smooth, slightly cloudy solution. This precise dosing process maintains the correct acidity level required for our jam, ensuring perfect flavor in every batch.
The agitator blends the puree, sugar, and pectin into a uniform mixture, maintaining a consistent deep red color throughout the entire batch.
As you can see through the inspection port, the agitator ensures the sugar is fully dissolved, creating that perfect, smooth consistency.
Inside the vacuum kettle, the mixture undergoes a gentle, low-temperature boiling process.
This reduced pressure method, as the jam thickens, the rotating scraper constantly sweeps the walls, preventing any scorching and ensuring a perfectly smooth consistency.
These are the hands behind every Forge and Flow product. Our team takes immense pride in the quality and precision you see here.
Here we see the finished jam, concentrated and ready for jarring, moving smoothly through the stainless steel pipes. Fine inline screen filter. It then moves. In this section, the robotic arm smoothly transfers the glass jars from the pallets directly onto the infeed conveyor. Here, the jars are inverted and thoroughly rinsed with high-pressure air and purified water mist to ensure absolute cleanliness before filling. Here in the drying tunnel, powerful streams of warm air eliminate any remaining moisture, ensuring the jars are pristine. In the sterilization tunnel, powerful jets of high-temperature steam eliminate any remaining microorganisms. And as the jars enter the rotating turret, our high-speed system ensures precise alignment, a critical step in the Forge and Flow process. The calibrated nozzles dispense the hot jam with extreme precision, guaranteeing an identical fill volume across the entire batch.
Here at the quality control checkpoint, sensors check the precise fill level. Jars that don't meet the standard are instantly diverted off the main conveyor.
Here at the sealing station, precision mechanical arms ensure that every single jar is tightly secured before moving down the line. This automated verification step continuously ensures consistent seal quality, diverting any jar lacking the correct concave indentation.
The sealed jars pass through this inverting station, allowing the heat from the jam to thoroughly sterilize the lid surface.
To prevent thermal shock, the jars are steadily sprayed with a warm water mist, ensuring a gradual and controlled cool down. The final stage uses warm air blowers to completely dry the jars, ensuring they are spotless and at a stable temperature for packaging. This automated quality verification step ensures consistent final product standards across the entire batch.
After vision inspection, our forge and flow jars are precisely marked with the production date by this high-speed inkjet system.
Here at Forge and Flow, our team performs periodic manual checks, like verifying the seal and color, alongside our automated systems. This final verification step guarantees a polished appearance. The sensor scans each jar, diverting any with misalignment to the rework lane. Once filled and capped, each jar receives its tamper-evident band before moving through the heat tunnel, guaranteeing the Forge and Flow quality seal.
Inside the heat tunnel, hot air jets cause the tamper-evident bands to shrink firmly around the lids.
Once filled and sealed, the jars are precisely clustered by the automated system before being placed onto trays for shipping. As you can see, the process is seamless. These machines precisely form and seal the trays before they move on to the filling station. The robotic arm ensures precise placement, maintaining the integrity of the Forge and Flow multi-packs across the entire production run. Here you can see the continuous shrink wrap application, which tightly secures the jars in their trays. Here you can see the heat tunnel in action, ensuring every Forge and Flow multi-pack is tightly sealed and protected.
Using smooth mechanical precision, the robotic arm efficiently stacks the shrink-wrap trays into the shipping cases.
Once sealed, each case receives a detailed shipping label with a unique batch number, ensuring full traceability of our strawberry jam.
The robotic arm meticulously stacks the sealed cases onto the pallet, demonstrating the efficiency of our automated packaging line.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.